it's time for the book inauguration ceremony. Therefore, I would like to invite Shri Manoj Baranaik, Dr. Pallab Nima, and Reverend Binay Kumar Bardhan.
वर्तमान आमने एक पुस्तक उन्मोचन कार्यक्रम मध्य को जीवा मुझे विशेष कर अनुरोध करुच्ची मनोज बड़नायक, मिस्टर विनय कुमार वर्धन एवं मिस्टर पल्लव लिमा.
I would also like to invite the author of this book, Mr. Barendra Kumar, to please come forward and take part in the inaugural ceremony.
पुणी बहिर लेखक को विशेष कर अनुरोध करुच्ची मिस्टर बरेंद्र कुमार दिगन को.
पुस्तक उन्मोचन अवसर मु अनुरोध करुछि आम मानकर मध्य उपस्थित अच्छा विश्व प्राण परीक्षा तांको स्टेज को आसवा को अनुरोध करुछि. पुणी आमर मोहनार आसथिबा डायोसिसियन रो जणे प्रिस्ट जणे आसंतु. पुणी आमर तीनोटी सम्मिलनी गजपतिर सौरा कुई एवं उत्कल बाप्टिस्ट सम्मेलन तीन जन सभापति को अनुरोध करुचु दयापूर्वक आमर स्टेज को आसंतु. डाइस उपर को आसंतु. पुणी आम गहन आमर अति निकटर बंधु घनिष्ठ बंधु जोशुआ जेना भाई मध्य उपस्थित अच्छा आम डाइस उपर को निमंत्रण जनाऊँ. आ से यही कार्यक्रम पाई सुदूर दिल्ली रू आसछंती तेणु आम मध्य स्वागत जनाऊँ.
वर्तमान आ गोटे गुरुत्वपूर्ण काम करने को जाऊँ आम डॉक्टर नवीन बड़नायक जीवनी उपरे गोटे छोटिया बही आज आम उन्मोचन करने को जाऊे. बही बोले से हेनी संपूर्ण जीवनी नुह आम परिकल्पना करथिले जे आज दिन में संपूर्ण जीवन आधारित एक बही आम प्रकाश करूँ. यहाँ बहुत दिन तले आम परिकल्पना करथिले किंतु सारा विश्वर परिकल्पना बर्तमान बंद हो जाइए. तो आम से प्रभावित हेले प्रभावित होकरी ताकू गोटे सामान्य छोट हिसाब रे कले आसंता दिन मानकर ताकू आम पूर्ण हिसाब रे आम प्रकाश करवा. आज आम गहन दिल्ली रू आछंती मोर बंधु जोशुआ जेना जे कि परिकल्पना रे मो सांगरे रही अनेक दिन तलू 6 मास कि 7 मास हो. ता छड़ा आपण मानकर सुपरिचित आ पूर्वर से आउरी किछि बही लिखि सारिचंती विशेषकर क्रिश्चियन लीडर मानकर उपरे से होचंती बरेंद्र कुमार कर लेखारे आज आम से पुस्तकटा उन्मोचन करवा. आम सौभाग्य आप मानकर उपस्थित आमर अनेक विज्ञ व्यक्ति उपस्थित ये बहीटा आम उन्मोचन कर.
Good afternoon, everybody. This is really a great privilege to be here this afternoon on the occasion of 80th birth anniversary of Dr. Naveen Bardnaik. I would certainly take at least 2-3 minutes to speak out the experiences which I was undergoing through when I was trying to study this gentleman. We had an earlier plan that we are going to have a very book detailing all his activities all through his life. But because of this pandemic, we couldn't able to do that. certainly I would love to say 2-3 lines. There is a saying we say in my management workshop that starts with 3D. Orissa is famous for 5T. Let me speak out for 3D. 3D starts for one has to have a desire, and the desire transforms into decision, and the decision crystallizes into determination. The determination changes the things, transforms the things, and behind the determination there is always a tenacity. The tenacity is a word which describes the strength of a soul. And if someone has that, one can succeed. One can move from a place like Serongo to a place like Kingston and can succeed in his life. Now we have been talking all about this COVID-19 and all the disease which contaminates. He was the researcher and master of all infectious diseases. He was heading even in an international level. What I want to say that Edison has failed 10,000 times to produce the electric bulb. And this gentleman too has the tendency to stay calm, cool and composed and without having any haste to do anything. That was the characteristic Dr. Nabin Badnaik had. And that is what I have gone through his life, particularly listening from his brother Manoj Badnaik, who happens to be a close brother-like figure for me. And we have tried to find out a miniature detail. Even I have mentioned it, it's a miniature narrative. It's a very small book. And at the same time, I want to say that this is just, you can say, just a booklet. If God willing, we will have a detailed things about him because he has got so much of stuff to speak to the world. He was a researcher. Basically, he was a researcher. If you go to Google, you'll find a lot of things what he was trying to do and which is definitely useful for everyone in this world, beginning from a common man to a scientist or even to the Prime Minister or the boss of the World Health Organization. So let me conclude. His work is certainly invisible for all of us because we have never gone to Kingston, Jamaica. But at the same time, we know where the man starts his route and where his wings could let him fly. Thank you very much.
ଆଉ ଏଇ ବହି ଦ ଫୁଟପ୍ରିଣ୍ଟସ୍ ଏ ମିନିଏଚର ନେରେଟିଭ ଅଫ୍ ଦକ୍ଷିଣ ଦ୍ୱୀପ ଡକ୍ଟର ନବୀନ ଚନ୍ଦ୍ର ବଡ଼ନାୟକ ଆଉ ଆମର ମଧ୍ୟରେ ଏହାର ଲେଖକ ବରେନ୍ଦ୍ର କୁମାର ଯିଏକି ଜଣେ ବହୁତ ଭଲ ଲେଖକ ଏବଂ ତାର ଅନେକ କିଛି ପୁସ୍ତକ ଆପଣମାନେ ପାଇପାରିବେ ସେ ଆଉ ସେ ଗୋଟେ ମ୍ୟାଗାଜିନ୍ର ମଧ୍ୟ ସମ୍ପାଦକ ଅଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ ତାଙ୍କେ କଷ୍ଟ କରିଥିବା ଆମେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ ଦେଉଛୁ ଆଉ ଏ ବହିଟା ଆମର ଡେସ୍କରେ ଆଭେଲେବୁଲ୍ ଅଛି ଆଉ ଆମେ ଯିବା ପୂର୍ବରୁ ମେକ୍ ସିଓର ୟୁ ଅଲ୍ ସୁଡ୍ ହ୍ୟାଭ୍ ୱାନ୍ କପି ଅଫ୍ ଇଟ୍ ଯିବା ପୂର୍ବରୁ ଆମେ ଯେମିତି ଗୋଟିଏ କପି ନେଇକି ଯିବା ଆଉ ଏଇଠି ତ ରହିକି ଆମେ ଯେତିକି ଶୁଣିଲୁ ଦେଖିଲୁ ହୁଏତ ଭୁଲି ଯାଇପାରୁ କିନ୍ତୁ ଏ ବହି ଯଦି ଆମ ପାଖରେ ଥିବ ଇଟ୍ ୱିଲ୍ ବି ଏ ଗ୍ରେଟ୍ ଇନ୍ସପିରେସନ୍ ଟୁ ଅଲ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଅସ୍ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ଗୋଟେ ପ୍ରେରଣା